Hey you guys, let's go ahead and start this beautiful two-tier tray, and this is going to be my summer theme. So I decided to do a bee and lemon theme, and the first thing I'm adding is this gorgeous Rae Dunn honey jar, and look at how adorable it is. It has a little bee in the top and it's painted yellow. So let's go ahead and place this in there. Now if we remove something, it's fine. If we add something, it's fine. If it doesn't fit, that's fine as well. But I just wanted to show you how I did my little tray this year. I'm going to add my little stand. It's just a little picture frame I did upside down and I painted white. And on top of the stand, I'm going to go ahead and add my little marshmallow cup. Look at how gorgeous she is. Isn't she adorable? And the crown she has at the top, I made it. And I also made a video how I made the crown. So I'll link that down below on my DIYs. But she looks so happy. She's ready for summer and she is adorable. I'm going to go ahead and add this little vase. And all I did to that little vase is I added some of these lemon color straws and they came out perfect. That vase was from Target. So in case you want to pick it up, it was from the Target dollar spot. It was $1. And I also had a video on how I put that together. Super easy, nothing big, nothing fancy. I'm going to go ahead and add these lemons that I picked up from Target as well, from the Target dollar spot. They are one of my favorite decorations for the summer. I always put up my lemons and I always put them up in the living room next to my centerpieces. And they're just plain gorgeous. And they were also from the Target dollar spot, in case you want to go ahead and pick some up. And they're gorgeous. They're one of my favorite pieces, like I said, in the summer. So I wanted to make sure I got both sides of the tray. So I'm also adding this DIY rolling pin I made, and I made it especially for this tray. So I thought it would be perfect for this theme, especially for the summer. It came out gorgeous. I'll link the video down below in case you want to go ahead and make your own. But it came out perfect and I love the bow on there. It gives it that little extra summer touch. And look at how cute it's already coming out. The next thing I'm adding is this home that I DIY'd as well. And I love how it matches the bowl, matching the rolling pin. So it's perfect. And it's just a little home I DIY'd. And at the bottom it says home as well. And it is perfect for this theme. It looks gorgeous and I'm so happy I made it. I'm also going to go ahead and put in my Rae Dunn candle. And this candle just says home. I don't turn it on. I just use it for plain decoration. It's one of my favorite candles that I picked up from there. And all it says is home and I love it. I love the way it looks and I love the way it just sits in my two-tier tray. I leave it on all year long and just change it up. But it looks really pretty and I'm happy I added it on there. So if you get a chance to get your hands on one, go ahead and pick it up. I picked up that one at TJ Maxx. I'm going to add my bee jar, and I love the way the DIY came out for this little bee jar. This jar was from Walmart and it just has a little bee on top and it's perfect for this. I'm also going to go ahead and add a couple more goodies. Now I'm going to add whatever I can fit. If I can't fit it, I won't add it. I'm going to add another lemon. Aren't they so cute? These lemons are so cute. And not only do they have lemons, they have oranges and limes as well. So go ahead and check that out in case you want to just, move everything around, change the color theme. It's up to you. I really love how I end up putting this two-tier tray together. It's perfect the way I have it displayed. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I will add a little mini video there as well. So you can go ahead and check that out. I'm going to link the link down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions, comments, ideas, or if you just want to find something out. The next thing I'm adding is this little tassel. Look at how cute it is. It just has little slices of lemons on there. And it has the burlap string. I'm going to add that to the top of the tray. It's optional. You can add it. You can take it away. I thought that little mini tassel is so cute. And I'm just going to add it right there at the top if you could see it. Just like that. It's hanging under. It looks perfect. It's just going to give it a little extra lemon theme. So I'm actually going for a lemon and a bee theme. So it's a mix. but it's okay because it's my mix. The next thing I'm adding is this little jar that I picked up from TJ Maxx, and it's just a little bee jar, and it's supposed to be a honey jar. So it's so cute as well. And look at the bees on the top. Look at how cute that is. That is adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and add that and close that in. And I'm adding it to the bottom. And look at the bees around the little jar are so cute. And it says honey, and then it says miel. So that's honey in Spanish, miel. So that's adorable. I'm going to go ahead and place that and make room for that inside the tray if it fits. If it doesn't, I won't add it, but it fits. I'm going to move back the sign just a little bit. I want the sign to be there because I really love the way it came out, especially since I use yellow. I thought I would never use that color, but it came out very cute and I'm very proud of it. The next thing I'm adding is this little DIY that I did from the Dollar Tree, and I'm adding those little jars in the bottom. They're very cute. I love the fact that one's yellow and one's gold. It matches the theme perfect because I'm using gold and yellow here, believe it or not. And look at how gorgeous that looks. Now I feel like I'm missing a little something, and I did add a little something at the end that I did not show you, and I'm sorry. It's just a little cup from Ray Dunn, and it's a little heart there. And I added a couple of these little fake balls from the Dollar Tree, and I added it at the bottom. You can see it on the picture. When you see this video, on the picture in the front, it's going to show. So if you want to go ahead and look that up, or go ahead and check out my Instagram, I'll show you right there what I added. Unfortunately, I added it after I filmed the video because I thought I was missing a little something, but I wasn't sure what it was. So I did add it. But look at how gorgeous this is. This is so pretty. I'm happy I made it, and I'm happy I shared it with you guys. Go ahead and make your own two-tier tray and let me know how it comes out. I would love to see it. Go ahead and tag me on Instagram if you make one. I would love to see how your tray came out, what you added to your tray. A lot of these items are from the dollar store and the dollar spot, so they're pretty affordable. And a couple of these pieces are from Ray Dunn. But look at how gorgeous it came out. I'm super happy the way it looks. I'm going to go ahead and put it up and just have it there as a display, so people, when they walk into my house, they could go ahead and check it out. But look at how cute. I hope you guys make one. And until next time, bye.